In the heart of the MGEL ranch, during the heat season, female heifers enter their mating phase. Two young bulls engage in a captivating ritual called sparring, a friendly competition to test their strength and endurance, preparing them for their future as dominant bulls. Driven by their instincts, the bulls charge at each other, their horns colliding with a powerful force showcasing their physical prowess and mental resilience. Despite the intensity of their battles, a bond forms between the young bulls, on their journey toward maturity. In these times, a story of growth, camaraderie, and the pursuit of dominance unfolds. It is a remarkable testament to the power and resilience of nature.